Despite today's pullback, Tesla stock is making a very important reaction. That's because Tesla is trading around an inflection point, and at times like this, we should pay more attention because if everything goes right, we could see something huge very soon. However, the stock looks very fragile as well. So what exactly is this inflection point and what should we expect from Tesla stock from now on? Well, I will do my best to answer those questions in this video. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, so let's start our Tesla analysis over here looking at the daily chart. In the daily chart, we see that the trend is still bearish. Tesla is still doing lower highs, lower lows. It is below the 21 MA. The 21 MA is pointing downwards, so okay, it is a bear trend. What's more, it appears that the 164 area, which is this black line over here, is working as a resistance level on Tesla stock right now. This black line near the 164 did work as a support level on March 13 and again on April 20, April 21 over here, and right now, since we lost this support level, it is working as a resistance line. So okay, let's assume that you are bearish. You are bearish on Tesla. You want to see it dropping to lower levels. You are aiming at this gap over here at 146. Okay, in this scenario, you must see a crystal clear top signal below the 164. That's the best scenario for you. If we see a top signal triggered, so far, there is no top signal triggered, but if we see one, then okay, I believe Tesla is going to frustrate this bullish reaction over here above the 154, and yes, we are gonna fill this gap at 146. What is the second best scenario for you? Would be if Tesla bounces. Two, because Tesla is in a bear trend, okay? But if Tesla bounces to the 176 area and performs a top signal around here, that would be also very, very problematic. In this area, Tesla is going to find a triple resistance level because we see the 176 black line over here, we see the 21 MA, and possibly Tesla is going to fill this gap over here as well. Therefore, any top signal in this area is going to be very, very problematic, indicating that Tesla is still in a bear trend in the midterm, and yes, the 146 is going to be our target to work with from now on. If Tesla actually bounces to this triple resistance level and if it performs a top signal over here. So far, these are just scenarios because Tesla is still under the 164. Now, if you ask me, Nathan, are you willing to short or to sell Tesla at the 160s over here? I don't feel comfortable in shorting or selling around support levels. To me, it is just too late. Around the $200, okay. But at 160, I don't think so. I'm not comfortable in doing this. Right now, all that we know is that Tesla is under important resistance lines over here, and this is it. We don't see any top signal confirmed. If we see, Tesla is going to probably turn bearish very soon. On the other hand, if Tesla actually performs a bullish scenario over here, what if Tesla actually breaks the 160s over here? Well, in my humble opinion, we are going to bounce to the 176. And then we'll see. If Tesla performs a top signal over here, okay, this is going to be quite problematic for any bullish thesis to materialize. But if Tesla actually performs a bullish reversal structure over here, I believe Tesla has plenty of upside potential because in the weekly chart, Tesla just reached a very important turning point, which is this red line over here, which is again at 164, near the 164. Well, 163.91 to be more specific. I'm gonna say a round number 164. Last week, Tesla did close above this red line over here. This is very good. What's more, we did a Dragonfly Doji. If Tesla actually triggers this dragonfly doji, if Tesla actually breaks its main resistance lines in the daily chart, if Tesla actually engages in a bullish momentum over here, in my humble opinion, Tesla has plenty of upside potential. We see the 21 EMA in the weekly chart over here around the 180s, but in theory, Tesla could easily retest this purple trend line over here in the weekly chart near the $200. Of course, this is a long-term reading, okay? I'm looking at the weekly chart. In the midterm, the most dangerous resistance level, in my humble opinion, is the 176. However, if Tesla breaks this 176 area, I believe we're gonna fly to much higher levels. We could even possibly break this descending channel over here, descending triangle chart pattern over here upwards. By doing so, Tesla is going to trigger its first meaningful bullish reversal structure in the weekly chart since the bear market started in November 2021. So it is very, very important. Either way, it is very important to see Tesla doing a meaningful reaction over here around the 164. That's our main turning point. And by the way, if you want to trade with me, remember to take a look at my website, join the top 5% community. The link is in the description of this video. Now, another thing that is very important to look at right now is on how the S&P, the Nasdaq, and the Dow Jones are going to react right now that they reached their resistance lines over here. The Dow Jones just reached a very important key point around 34K. The Nasdaq index is slightly above the 13.2K over here as well. A very important key point. We feel it, a gap over here. We just feel it, a gap, while the S&P index is struggling to break the 4169 area over here as well. And it feels like we are trying to do a shooting star candlestick pattern. These are very delicate patterns. The indices are in a very delicate situation right now. So if we see pullback on them, probably Tesla is going to trigger a sharper correction as well. Oh, and before I forget, remember to take a look at my Instagram. Yes, I have an Instagram right now and I'm posting very interesting stuff over there. So if you want to keep in touch with what's the best regarding technical analysis, price action, and of course with my daily life here in Brazil, take a look at my Instagram. And if you like this video, remember to click on the like button, subscribe if you're not my subscriber, because this way you're gonna keep in touch with my daily analysis, daily insights on Tesla and on other stocks as well. I really appreciate your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow.